Let's compare the Alkin car charger against the Otium car charger. So both of these are great chargers if you want to plug something into the accessory socket in your car and then charge up your phone or other device. The big difference is that the Alkin charger is very simple. You're just going to plug it into the accessory socket. You get two USB ports. It's going to occupy that socket so you can't plug other accessories in. And that's pretty much it. You got to supply your own cable. The Otium charger, on the other hand, a little bit more complicated. You plug it into the same accessory socket, but then it opens up and actually is a splitter, so you end up with two accessory sockets you can plug other devices into, plus you get USB ports on here. We get two USB ports just like on the Alkin, and we get a Type-C port on here too. It also has some fuses built in, which is nice, and buttons to switch the power on and off. So if you need to keep access or even add an additional accessory socket, then the Otium is a great choice. If you just need something really simple though, the Alkin is a good choice too because it's smaller and more compact. It doesn't have all these extra accessories, it takes up a little bit less space.